Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you a brand new product by GrubTerra. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Guys, so again, GrubTerra just came out with a brand new product, and there's two different scents. They sent both of them to me to show you guys, so thank you so much for sending me your new products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's learn a little bit about this brand new product, and then we're going to put it in the coop and see how it does. You ready? Let's learn about it. Meet the Coop Refresher. End stubborn coop odors once and for all. The GrubTerra Refresher is finally here, offering up to 15 weeks of extended release freshness. It combats intense odors to keep your coop clean and safe with our non-toxic formula. It's 100% natural and safe. It's effective up to 5 weeks, extends the coop bedding. Each bag has 4 half-ounce bags inside, which is up to 15 weeks of a supply. It has a unique slow release mechanism that delivers extended minty freshness, which is completely safe for your chickens and their owners. So again, there's two different scents. One of them is fresh minty scent, and one of them is the rosemary thyme. I did actually open this one because when I saw there was 4 bags, I'm like, wait a minute, I thought it was just all in one. But no, there's 4 individual bags down inside of here. So I have already opened one, and I have already put one inside of their coop. And so now I wanted to wait some time and then use the other scent so I can see like the difference between the scents, because this one smells so good. This rosemary thyme, it smells just like rosemary and thyme fresh herbs, and this is what it looks like. It's just like this little, I'm not quite sure really what it all is. You can go to their site and see all of the amazing information about them. So basically for the directions, it says evenly distribute the contents of 1 bag throughout the coop. The deodorizer will slowly release its essential oils to neutralize odors, keeping your coop smelling fresh and clean. Repeat the treatment monthly or as needed to keep the bad odors at bay. So it just depends on how many chickens you have. If you don't have that many, you won't need to refresh as much. If you have a whole lot of chickens, you might need to refresh a little sooner, depending on what kind of bedding you use, how you clean it out, that kind of thing. But they have you covered to keep it smelling good. And with that special release technology, I think that's amazing. So again, there's 4 of these. I've already used 1, so now there'll be 3 down inside of here. This is a Ziploc sealed bag, so you can keep them all fresh inside in between usages. But again, there's 4 down inside. I think that's great because it's already pre-measured. You don't have to worry about anything. You just take one of them out there, open it up, and sprinkle it around and let it do its thing. So again, so far I've tried the rosemary thyme, and now I'm so excited to try the fresh mint, and then I will be back to finalize to let you know what scent I like better, what the girls thought about it, which they're probably just gonna love it because they're gonna smell nice and good in there, so they're gonna love it. But I will be back to finalize to tell you what I think about using them for a while. This one smells really good. Mint. You smell good in there? Yes, it does, little flopper. Here come little flopper. Come on, Liberty. Don't be clucking around. Carmela wants in there now. I know it smells amazing in there. Go on, Carm. Yes, I can smell it from out here. Go get it, girl. Go on. Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rosemary thyme. Again, they both smell absolutely amazing. It's been about a month, I would say at least 4 to 5 weeks since the last time I put one in there. So let's go ahead and refresh their coop. Hi, Oreo. Hey, Carmela. Watch out, baby. It smells so good. Excuse me, Penny. It smells so good. So yeah, that's all. I mean, literally one packet can last you a very long time because the smell stays in there, and now they're all nice and refreshed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add one. This is the rosemary and thyme. Again, I absolutely love this scent, but the girls got a little bit of an upgrade. So there's all new bedding in here. I've had this for a few weeks now. So let's go ahead. Oh, two of the babies, we put this on a hinge so I can open it up this way. Two of the babies are like, they should be laying any day now. Hi, Shadow. So let's go ahead and sprinkle this throughout the coop. Watch out, baby. Yeah. And then I'll put a little around the nesting boxes. There's a little breeze today, if you can hear like the wind chimes. And my man's gonna be adding insulation to the top of the roof to kind of help protect, you know, for the heat and for the cold. So I thought before he comes in here, I'll go ahead and add this. Hey, Java girl. But yeah, he's gonna add insulation up there because it's just a metal roof, so it stays really cold, or it just stays like a hot box. So yeah, now he'll smell nice, fresh smells while he's out here working. Huh, girls? Yeah. So now their new coop is all nice and refreshed, and I don't have to worry about it for several weeks. All right, you guys, so I am back to finalize after using these products for some time, and oh my gosh, this is literally a game changer. I really, really love them. I think the one that I liked the most, like as far as, you know what? They both smelled so good. I think the rosemary thyme was a little bit stronger of a scent than the mint to me. But again, both of them smell absolutely phenomenal. And I'm pleased to say when I sprinkle this inside of the coop, I can smell this from inside the run, outside of the run for days and days after putting it in there. So it definitely does smell amazing for a while. And it says it has like that release, so it releases as it goes until you need to add another one. I actually did have to take a lot of bedding out to try to make them a little bit more comfortable. When we had the hurricane, I put them in like a tent on our enclosed patio to get them out of the wind and all the elements that were going on. So I ran out of bedding, so I went to their coop and started pulling out as much as I could just to toss in the tent so they'd be more comfortable in there. So I need to add more bedding, which should be delivered today. And as soon as I get that in, I will add it all in there and then add one of these in there again. But oh, they smell so good. So I'm so glad that GrubTerra did send these to me, because I never even knew that they had this new product available until now. And I'm so glad that they do. Again, me personally, I'll probably keep buying the rosemary thyme just because I absolutely love the smell of the rosemary and the thyme. I grow my own rosemary and thyme, so I'm thinking maybe that's why I have a little bit of a pull towards this one versus this one, but they smell phenomenal. I just smell amazing fresh herbs for days and days and days. So thanks to GrubTerra, they're making my coop, run, and outside of the run smell absolutely amazing. So if you want to check them out, I will have them all linked down below. You can use my code. You can go check them out. You can get their grubs, which that's my girl's favorite grubs as well. And everything will be listed below for you guys in the description box. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty.com. So that is everything I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, have you seen this product? Do you now want to purchase this product? Let me know all the details down below in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you have to say. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.